My name is Zora Neale Hurston, and none of you forget that. My success comes from my people, and I tend to make our culture known through my words. I explore my people through their history, and I don't need to declare the racism of white people to show how we have succeeded from white society and all its bigotry. Just look at my hometown. I remember looking to the town hall and seeing black men, including my father, raised in a community of laws. I was born in a Negro town. I don't mean by the black backside of an average town. Eatonville, Florida, is and was at the time of my birth a pure Negro town. Charter, mayor, council, and town marshal, and it all. It was not the first Negro community in America, but it was the first to be incorporated, the first to attempt organized self-government on the part of Negroes in America. My mama is and was a source of my inspiration. She used to tell me to jump at the sun, and jump at the sun I did. Now, my people and I might not land on the sun, but at least we would get off the ground. History is and will always be an important aspect of my people. We're going to succeed and triumph. Now, I'm going to call myself an authority figure on black people. I've studied the history, gotten a degree in anthropology, and served my time scrummaging through the likes of poverty. I've had my share of a patron not publishing any of my works under her conditions and then becoming free and publishing them. I was in power because I wrote about 2 black themes. I don't care. Keep me in poverty. But I'm going to let my voice be heard. Anyways, the voice from somewhere in space which commands you to write in the first place gives you no choice. You take up the pen when you are told and write what is commanded. There's no agony like bearing an untold story inside of you. And my people need their story told, even if it's too black.